on now.
Okay, then put it on. Foxy Shadow TV. I'm at school. I don't know what to do here. I'm new. And I have something in my book bag. Look, I have this. Oh, and I might make some plushy videos too. If you guys want to know. I'm new. I'm a new character. My name is Yyuuuuuyu. Yyuuuuuyu. Goodbye.